The Internet of Things is the connection, via the Internet, of computing devices embedded in everyday objects which can send and receive data and generate all kinds of smart information. The Industrial Internet of Things, or the IIoT, is the extension of the Internet of Things into the industrial world and its processes. Historically, it has been difficult or even impossible for business leaders and manufacturers to correct problems as a process unfolds. Predictive maintenance is seldom possible, nor is asset tracking or dynamic routing or scheduling. This hampers efficiency and leads to costly, time-consuming investigations that cause downtime and can damage or destroy customer relations. The Industrial Revolution set down a business model that has scarcely altered in 2 centuries. This has led to a correspondingly reactive attitude to problems, since technology has not previously allowed business leaders to make course corrections during a process or to allow for proper asset tracking, condition-based monitoring, or even a proactive relationship with customers or employees. The IIoT represents a massive paradigm change in the way industry functions. Instead of forcing industry leaders to observe a finished process or product and then walk backwards in hopes of finding where problems first began, the IIoT uses embedded sensors that monitor every phase of business activity as it occurs. This expedites data flow and analysis, which leads to fast insights, which in turn speeds up decision-making and corrective action. It also allows for predictive rather than reactive maintenance, asset tracking, dynamic routing and scheduling, and asset and process optimization. The IIoT also facilitates communication with customers to promotions, offers, and new product rollouts, and guides them via mobile device wayfinding. Our technological landscape is changing. Advanced manufacturing technology, AMT, is an industrial evolution that will help companies prioritize long-term business goals over low-risk short-term returns and succeed in today's smart manufacturing environment. Reach out to Mantech for expert knowledge of AMT and assistance with technology implementation.